that melanin. She got that melanin. La 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 la. Malo, merito, merito. Merito, merito.
Looks like I am missing a piece that I did not bring with me, and that is the little thing that twists it around. I'll put it on the screen so you can see. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna make a smoothie out of this because it's supposed to be a juice, and I didn't bring this thing right here, which kind of turns it into juice. So a smoothie it is. A smoothie it shall be. Well, starting over in my 30s is a bit overwhelming. I've talked about feeling settled and even happy, but there are days where I just find myself feeling lost. I think, what am I actually doing with my life? Honestly, the answer isn't always a yes when it comes to happiness. My weight keeps going up and down. Some days I feel good about myself, while others I struggle. It's frustrating to feel like I'm aiming for happiness, but can't seem to grab a hold of it. I really want to get to a place where I can look at everything I've done and feel proud, where I can genuinely celebrate my accomplishments and feel good about where I am right now. This new decade of my life is supposed to be a time where things come together, where I can flourish and achieve my goal. Yet it often feels tough. There is this pressure to make the most out of my 30s, but sometimes I find myself battling feelings of sadness and frustration instead. I don't want to live through this decade weighted down by bad decision making or my negative emotions. I want to turn this period of my life into something positive. I'm ready to address these feelings and find a way to overcome them. I know happiness is possible, even if it feels a bit distant. I'm determined to focus on my goal, to keep pushing towards my goals, and to also create a fulfilling life. This is my chance to rewrite a new chapter, and I want to make it a good one. Good morning. It's Friday. My skin is actually improving. I have switched over to Korean skincare. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. So I have been doing this thing where I double cleanse now. I've already showed you this product right here. This is the one that I also saw at TJ Maxx. Give me 7 of these right now. Do you know what's in here? I don't care. 7 of these. Oil pool. This is just something that I've included into my investment on self. This really does help with bad breath, the plaque, and just whitening your teeth at the same time. My teeth has improved. I can definitely see that it's getting white. It's getting whiter and whiter and whiter. The skin is improving. I'm losing weight. Girl, shut up and just oil pool. I have my hair appointment at 12, and I had to let her know that I'm going to be a little bit behind. finally say that I have found a hairstylist. Listen, finding a hairstylist often feels like an overwhelming task that I do not wish on anyone, especially in a city like Columbus, Ohio. My search was filled with frustrations and lots of trials and error. But I'm relieved to say that I finally found someone who resonates with me. Essence has become more than just a stylist. She's someone who genuinely listens to my ideas and brings them to life, making sure that I feel seen and also understood every time I visit. From the moment I walked into her salon, I felt an immediate connection. She welcomes me with warmth, making it easy to share my vision, and I love how I can bring my camera along without feeling awkward. It's so nice to feel comfortable in a space where I can express my creativity as well. And the beautiful thing about it is she blocked time for my creative process. And every style that I show her, she executes them flawlessly, which is such a breath of fresh air. Discovering Essence on Style Seats, an app designed to connect clients with hairstylists, turned out to be such a big blessing for me. We quickly developed a great friendship, and now she feels more like family than just a service provider. Growing up in a culture where I didn't have close cousins to bond with, finding that sense of family in someone like Essence has definitely filled a huge gap in my life. After expressing disappointments with past stylists, it has become difficult to build trust, but Essence has definitely changed that for me. She brings a sense of calm and also peace to my self-care routine, ensuring that I leave the salon feeling my best and also satisfied with my look. It's definitely important for me to find someone who I can not only rely on for my hairstyling needs, but also consider a friend. I'm truly grateful for the connection we share, and I look forward to each visit knowing that I'm in good hands and there is no complaints that I need to file. Starting over in my 30s really does indicate a lot of self-efforts. I've come to realize that I can't approach this phase of life like I did in my 20s, thinking I have endless time to accomplish everything. Instead, I need to prioritize my happiness and my health. One thing I've established in my 30s is the intention to rebrand myself, especially on YouTube. I'm excited for this new chapter and also adventure, and I'm embracing this new version of myself. I've grown tired of letting my fears, whether it's the fear of not connecting with someone or not resonating with others in person or online, hold me back. I know there's a tribe out there and a community out there that aligns with my values. With this rebrand on YouTube, I'm confident that I will find a group of women who love God and are committed to improving themselves, both mentally and physically, as well as spiritually. This new chapter does bring fear, but I also know that regardless of the circumstances, the Lord will always provide.